Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to share with you abbreviations collected from past papers related to general science for CSS and PMS preparation. Let's get started. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. TNT, trinitrotoluene. RNA, ribonucleic acid. CNG, compressed natural gas. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. RBC, red blood cells or corpuscles. ECG, electrocardiogram. PVC, polyvinyl chloride. RAM, random access memory. CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Laser, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Radar, radio detection and ranging. AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. ROM, read-only memory. LAN, local area network. WWW, World Wide Web. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Sonar, SONAR, sound navigation and ranging. SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome. NTP, network time protocol or normal temperature and pressure. RQ, respiratory quotient. NPN, negative, positive, negative. PNP, purine nucleoside phosphorylase. WAN, wide area network. CPU, central processing unit. BCG, bacillus calmette guerin. STP, standard temperature and pressure or shielded twisted pair or sodium tripolyphosphate or spanning tree protocol. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. kWh, kilowatt or BTU, British thermal unit. HST, high speed technology or high speed train in UK, Hubble Space Telescope. DBS, database server or direct broadcast satellite. CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope. BOT, build, operate and transfer or botulinum toxin. AMU, atomic mass unit. EMF, electromotive force. ADH, antidiuretic hormone. GeV, giga electrovolt. CRT, cathode ray tube. CNS, central nervous system. PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene. GUT, gut, grand unified theory. LUNAR, long range navigation. MEV, mega electron volt or million electron volt or multi experiment viewer. AWACS, AWACS, airborne warning and control system. CCTV, closed circuit television. These are the abbreviations from A to E. ABM, anti-ballistic missile. AC, alternating current or air conditioning. AEC, atomic energy commission. ALT, altitude. AM, anti-meridian, before noon or midday. AMP, ampere. APTEC, All Pakistan Technology Engineers Council. ATM, automated teller machine. AW, atomic weight or Asia watch. BIOS, BIOS, basic input output system. BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery or Bomb Disposal Squad. BP, blood pressure or boiling point or blueprint. CA, current account. CAA, Civil Aviation Authority. SAB, CABB, Center of Agricultural Biochemistry and Biotechnology. CAD, Computer Aided Design. CL Cal Calorie, CD Compact Disc, Civil Defense or Community Development, CD-ROM Compact Disc Read-Only Memory, CECP Cotton Export Corporation of Pakistan, CHASNUPP Chashma Nuclear Power Plant, CMCC China Mobile Communications Corporation, COMCOM Computer Aided Manufacturing, COMSAT Communications Satellite Corporation, COMSTEC Council of Scientific and Technology Cooperation of Islamic Conference, CSIRO Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization, CTBT Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty, CT scan computerized axial tomography scanning, DVD dynamic versatile disc, ECAT Engineering Colleges Admission Test, EDB Engineering Development Board, EEG Electroencephalogram, Enercon Energy Conservation Center, EPA Energy Production Agency, EPD Energy Production Department, ESA European Space Agency, ESRO European Space Research Organization. Now from F to J. FAT File Allocation Table, FCPS Fellow of the Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons, FM Frequency Modulation, FMCT Fissile Material Cutoff Treaty, FRCS Fellow of the Royal College of Surgeons, GHZ Gigahertz, GMT Greenwich Mean Time, HIV Human Immune Deficiency Virus, HTML Hypertext Markup Language, HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol, IAEA International Atomic Energy Agency, IBM International Business Machine, IC Integrated Circuit or Intelligence Corps, ICBM Intercontinental Ballistic Missile, ICU Intensive Care Unit, IEA International Energy Agency, INSTRA International Research and Training Institute for the Advancement of Women, Intelsat International Telecommunications Satellite Consortium, Intelsat International Telecommunications Satellite Organization, IRBM Intermediate Range Ballistic Missile, ISP International Service Provider, IT Information Technology, ITB Information Technology Board, JAXA Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. From K to R. KANUPP Karachi Nuclear Power Plant, Capco Kot Adu Power Company, KHZ Kilohertz, KV Kilovolt, KW Kilowatt, MCAT Medical Colleges Admission Test, MD's Master in Dental Surgery, MNP Mobile Number Probability, MRBM Medium Range Ballistic Missile, MRCP Member of Royal College of Physicians, MRCS Member of Royal College of Surgeons, MRI Magnetic Resonance Imaging, MS Medical Superintendent, MSN Microsoft Network, MW Megawatt, NADRA National Database and Registration Authority, NEPRA National Electric Power Regulatory Authority, NM Nautical Mile, NMD National Missile Defense, NPT Non-Nuclear Proliferation Treaty, NRA Nuclear Regulatory Authority, OGRA OGRA Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority, NWD Nationwide Tiling, OGDC Oil and Gas Development Corporation, PM Post Meridian, PEMRA Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority, PTA Pakistan Telecommunication Authority, RADAR radio detection and ranging, SALT, Strategic Arms Limitation Talks, SLV, Satellite Launch Vehicle, SMS, Short Message Service, SNGPL, SUI, Northern Gas Pipelines Limited, Sonar, Sound Navigation and Ranging, SSGPL, SUI, Southern Gas Pipeline Limited, STD, Subscribers Trunk Dialing, STM, Subscriber Identification, SUPARCO, Space and Upper Atmosphere Research Committee, Pakistan, TB, Tubercle Bacillus or Tuberculosis, UHF Ultra High Frequency, UNAEC, United Nations Atomic Energy Commission, UNESCO, United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization, VCD, Video Compact Disc, VHF, Very High Frequency, WAN, Wide Area Network, WAP, Wireless Application Protocol, WAPDA, Water and Power Development Authority, WHO, World Health Organization, WMD, Weapons of Mass Destruction, WWF, World Wildlife Fund, ZETA, Zero Energy Thermonuclear Assembly, ZPG, Zero Population Growth,